Step-by-step guide to depositing a negotiable bill of exchange. Depositing a negotiable bill of exchange into your bank account requires a careful and straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide outlining the necessary steps. Step 1. Verify the bill of exchange. Before attempting to deposit a negotiable bill of exchange into your bank account, it is critical to verify the document's legality, authenticity, and legitimacy. Ensure that the bill of exchange is properly completed with the appropriate signatures, date, and payment amount. Checked for terms and conditions. Verified for the identity of the issuer. Confirmed to comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Step 2. Contact your bank. Contact your bank and inquire about its policies and procedures for accepting negotiable bills of exchange. Request specific guidance on the information, documentation, and steps required to make a successful deposit. Your bank may require that you present the original bill of exchange, so be sure to ask for clear instructions. Step 3. Provide supporting documentation. Most banks require supporting documentation to verify the legitimacy of the bill of exchange. This may include copies of the invoice, contracts or purchase orders, any other relevant documentation outlining the trade transaction. Ensure that all supporting documentation is complete, accurate, and aligns with the terms of the bill of exchange. Step 4. Submit the bill of exchange. Present the bill of exchange along with all supporting documentation to your bank for verification and acceptance. Your bank may require you to provide these documents in person or via mail. Confirm the submission method with your bank. Step 5. Wait for verification. Allow time for your bank to verify and accept the bill of exchange. This process typically takes several days. Your bank may contact you if additional information or documentation is needed. Once the bank accepts the bill of exchange, the funds can be deposited into your account. Step 6. Deposit the funds. Deposit the funds into your bank account using the appropriate deposit method, such as a deposit slip, wire transfer, electronic payment. Your bank will credit the funds to your account, and you can then use them as needed. Step 7. Keep the original bill of exchange. Keep the original bill of exchange in a safe place for future reference. It may be required in case of any disputes or discrepancies in the transaction. Final notes. Depositing a negotiable bill of exchange into your bank account requires careful planning and strict adherence to your bank's policies and procedures. Follow these 7 steps to ensure your transaction is efficient, accurate, and successful. 1. Verify the legitimacy of the bill of exchange. 2. Provide supporting documentation. 3. Present the bill of exchange to your bank for verification and acceptance. Always contact your bank for specific instructions and guidelines, and remember to keep the original bill of exchange safely stored for future reference.